Anna was an accounting manager at a popular company in Kingston, Jamaica. She was loved by everyone at the company. She was seen as a hard worker and always put the needs of others first. People could tell that she genuinely cared. But nobody loved Anna as much as Philip. Philip was a new security guard at the company. Philip loved Anna because even though everyone treated him as if he never existed, Anna was the only person who said good morning when she came in and goodbye when she was leaving. Anna would always ask him about his family, so Philip felt as if Anna genuinely cared about him. One evening, Anna decided to work overtime so that she could have completed an outstanding project for a client. Anna had been stressing herself out all week. She had to get the project completed. At around 9 p.m, something horrible happened. Anna was having a heart attack and there was no one in the office to help her. 2 minutes later, the security guard came in and saw Anna on the floor fighting for her life. He then immediately rushed her to the hospital. Luckily, Anna had survived. The doctor told her that if she came in just 5 minutes later, she would have been dead. Later that evening, the security guard came to the hospital to visit Anna. She asked him, "How did you know that I was still in the office? Everyone had left." The security guard said,
"Every evening me look forward to your goodbye, you know. But that evening you never tell me goodbye. Me usually would have left by 7 o'clock still. But when me see the clock touch 9 o'clock, me know say something must wrong."
In life, you have to be careful how you treat people. Nobody should be treated as if they are insignificant because you may hold a higher position in society, or you feel as if they are not at your level. Sometimes the same people who you look down upon may end up becoming the ones who you need help from later in life. Humble yourself.